There are times where you want the leads from your Facebook lead ads to go inside your Google Sheet. Well, there are many benefits to it. One of it could be just easier for you to check all the leads instead of going to Facebook. And how can you do this? Previously, I have a video about that using Zapier, but recently I've just changed to Pabbly, another software for automation. Well, Zapier still works great. Zapier still is one of the good software out there for automation, but it depends on what's the use case that you want and the budget that you have. Okay, Pabbly is relatively cheaper and they do have a lifetime offer as well. So basically, you just need to pay one time and that's it, instead of paying Zapier every month. But again, it depends on your use case, on how intensive the use case are. If, for example, you need a lot of automation, then of course probably lifetime also not enough. But I have all the links in the description box below, so just go ahead and check and click it. Now before I proceed, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Now without further ado, let me just go into my computer and show you how you can easily just connect the Facebook lead ads into Google Sheet. So the moment the leads come in, you can see it appear in the Google Sheet. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's go.
Now before we begin, let me introduce to you this software called Pabbly. So it's a very good automation software and I've been changing a lot of my Zapier application to Pabbly. Well, there's a lot of reasons for that, but it really depends on the use case and the application that you want to use, right? For my case, I want to get a lower price version compared to Zapier. So this is the Pabbly price. You can see it's $25 a month. And then you can see that the Pabbly Connect have 24,000 tasks every month. And I think this is pretty good. And if you were to get this monthly package, then they will have email marketing, subscription billing, form, etc. Right? Compared with Zapier plans, so if you look by monthly payment, it is $29.99 and there are quite limited tasks per month. So that's the reason why I changed to Pabbly. But of course, Zapier itself is also very good because they always have new features. So again, it depends what your company needs before you switch. So you can see here, if you want to test it out, you can just use my link in the description box below. Just click sign up for free and then just test it out. A little bit of disclaimer, if you click on my link, it's actually an affiliate link. So I will get affiliate from this as well if you feel like supporting, or you can go direct to their website if you feel it's okay. But if you click my link, I'll really appreciate it. Thank you. Now this is the one offer, the monthly offer. They also have the one-time lifetime offer. I also have the link in the description box. So that is if you don't want email or the billing, etc. You only want the automation. So I only want the automation, and that's the reason why I got the lifetime access. And you can see I bought this $6.99 package, which have a lot more tasks, because I think I got a lot of tasks. Yeah, I think it is worth it. Just get it once and then you can use it many times. So it's up to you. Okay, all the links in the description box. I'll highly appreciate it if you just get it from my link. Okay, so now let's proceed with the Facebook lead form leads and then send it to Google Sheets. So I have this Facebook lead form. So for example, just click on it. So this is the form. I wanted the information all to go into this Google Sheet, for example, so that it appear here. Okay, and let's do it in Pabbly. It's very simple. So first of all, once you have a Pabbly Connect account, you go to the dashboard, you get to see all the workflow that is in here. So I have a few already, as you can see. So let's just create a new workflow and let's test it out. So create workflow. So I just put test, create. Now you can choose the trigger, choose Facebook, lead ads. So basically, as is a lead form, all right? So you can trigger event, new lead instant, click connect. I've already connected my Facebook account, so I don't think we need to connect again. If you want to connect, just add new connection and connect with your Facebook lead ads. Just make sure that your Facebook account is logged in, then you can immediately connect. But I don't need it, so I just use existing one. Click on save, search for your page. Okay, and then this is the lead form, so I have only two, so I just want to use this. And then click on save and send test request. So what you can see here is waiting for webhook response. So what does it mean? That when it's a testing phase where you put in your new information, it will straight away appear inside Pabbly itself. So as on now, you don't see any response. Okay, so let's go to a page and put in a certain response. Okay? So click on sign up. So what's the nature of business? Okay. Next, on the information here. Then you just click next, submit. Done. Now let's go back to the page and you can see it is refreshed just now quickly, and you can see all the information are here. Digital marketing, name, everything is here. Okay, then all you have to do is just go to the next action, which is here. Action, do this. Find for sheet. Find for sheets. Okay, so action event. You can test all these other events. Alright, but for now, just to add new row. So for example, any new lead come, you'll add a new row. Connect. fine for existing connection. So basically just to log in a Google account. I already have logged in, so I don't have to go through the hassle again. So you can see here, just search the connection and click save. So you can see here, that's the name of the form, and then it's here that the sheet is 10 April. So just put on the dates, for example, date, name, email, phone number. Okay, now if you notice the phone number, you can see that there's +60, so this is a code, country code. But when you put it into cell, it will turn up some error because this is actually like plus sign. And some of them don't even have the plus sign, it's just a straight start with 0. And when this case happened, you can see that the Google Sheet, you will have the number appear very weirdly. So you have to make the cell into text. So how do you do this? You just have to put in this additional hyphen or apostrophe. So you just need to put this apostrophe on top, which is here, and there you can. After that, when you submit it, you will appear as what you want to see, which is this. Okay, so this is a tip when you're using Google Sheet. So for business, you can just put in digital marketing. So save and send test requests, and you can see it appear here. Alright. So for example, if you don't put the dash, right, this is what will happen. Okay, so that's why we put the dash in front. Okay, all right, and now they are connected. Save. Okay, and then you can add more action. For example, you send an email, or you want to push it into a MailChimp or something, push it into a email marketing service, or push it to other places, or do other activity, other actions. All this can be done. Now my suggestion is, if you want to create an automation, it'll be good for you to write down the flow before you actually create it. But this is actually a simple one, which is just the lead coming in Facebook lead form, and then go to Google Sheet, and then this is turned on. Alright, so now the moment people fill up the form, it will immediately go to Google Sheet. So that's how easily you can connect your Facebook lead form to Google Sheet. You feel free to get this software in the link in the description box below. If you like what I share, give me a like, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.